Hi you guys, it's Janessa, your unique presenter, and I am so excited to be filming this video because it has been a hot minute since I filmed a video, and Mama got a new ring light for Christmas, so we're feeling pretty legit over here, you know. I wanted to show you guys this pretty, a little bit different colors than I feel like most people are going to be doing for New Year's Eve, but pretty glam, sparkly, fun New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. I cannot believe 2017 is over, but I'm so ready for 2018. I'm having this baby. As I reflect on this year, so much has happened with my makeup business. My skills have increased so much, and I'm so grateful for the opportunity I have to be doing what I'm doing. I got my makeup artist certification back in April, and I've been doing more and more people's makeup, which literally fills my heart with so much joy. I got to go to New Orleans in August with Unique, and I've been able to increase my business and earn a makeup trunk this year. So many great opportunities, but none of them would have been possible without you beautiful people who support me and love me, support my little business and my big passion. So I just want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I hope you have a great new year, and I'll see you next year. Get it? Well, let's just move on to the makeup.
Okay, my lovelies, let's get started. First, starting with the Moonstruck Eye Primer. I'm applying this to my lids. This is going to make sure that the shadows that I put on my lids won't crease, that they'll be extra pigmented, and they'll be super long lasting. I highly recommend a primer. Next, we're going to go in with the Cream Splurge Cream Shadow in the shade Faithful, which is like a light brown. I'm applying this with the cream shadow brush just on the lids of my eyes. Next, going in with the shade Marvelous, which is that dark brown shade, and taking Unique's blending brush, I'm applying this in the crease and blending windshield wiper motions back and forth until it is well blended out. I'm an idiot and didn't realize it wasn't recording, but what I did was I took the crease brush from Unique and the shade Fervent, which is a cranberry matte shade, and put it in my outer V and blended it into my crease. Next, going in with the shade Slick, which is a shimmery shade, I am taking the cream shadow brush we used earlier and I'm applying this on my lid. I am kind of pressing it in and then sweeping it through just on my main lid area. Taking that same shimmery shade, I am taking this crown pencil brush and applying this as a brow bone highlight just slightly. Now to finish up the eye look, I am taking this matte black shade in Legendary and taking Unique's liner brush and lining my lash line with this matte black shade. It's going to create a soft, smoky eyeliner look. Now moving on to the face, I am priming with Unique's Touch Glorious Primer, and I am just rubbing this all over my face. So I'm taking my usual Touch Liquid Foundation in Velour, but I lately have been mixing a highlighter with it, and it just makes my face look so much more pretty and flawless and dewy. So I'm mixing the two on the liquid foundation brush and then applying it to my face. Next, I'm going to highlight and conceal with the shade Organza, and I'm going to do it under my eyes, on my chin, on the bridge of my nose, and a little bit on my forehead. And then I just blend it out with a blending bud that's damp. And since we're wanting to look flawless all night long on New Year's Eve, I am setting my concealer with our translucent setting powder. This stuff is magic. It keeps the product in place, but also makes sure that you don't crease, and it gives it a nice, smooth velvet texture. Now that we have our under eye set, we are going to go in and finish the last part of our eye makeup look. I'm taking that matte black shade we used earlier as eyeliner and doing it on my lower lash line and a little bit on my waterline. Going back in with the shade Fervent and the crease brush, I am smoking out that black with that cranberry shade. And going with that pink shimmery shade, I am using this for my inner corner highlight and bringing it a little bit on my lower lash line as well. Finishing off the face, I am taking the loose mineral concealer in Fierce, and we will be contouring with this shade. Listen, Mama is 37 weeks pregnant, so we need all the contouring help we can get. So I am contouring my cheekbones, under my jawline, my forehead, and a little bit on my nose. I also like to add a little bit under my lip just to make them look fuller. Then you're going to go in and just blend this all out so you're not having any harsh lines. Next, going in with Makeup Geek's Spellbound Blush. I really like this shade because it's just a really light pink. And with Unique's Powder Puff Brush, and I'm just applying this to the apples of the cheeks and sweeping back. Then for highlight, I'm taking Unique's Iridescent Illuminizer in powder form and Unique's Fan Brush, and I'm sweeping this on the bridge of my nose, the top of my cheekbones, and a little bit on my Cupid bow just for that extra glow. Next, going in with Epic Mascara, I'm applying 2 quick coats to the top of my lashes and the bottom of my lashes, and then we are done with this look, and then just finishing it off with lipstick. Now for this whole look to finally come together, I'm going in with Opportunistic Lipstick, applying that all over my lips, and then going in with Buxom's Lip Gloss in Star, and applying this over top to create a pink iridescent shimmer. And the last and most important step is to take a setting spray. This is the Behold setting spray, and spray that over your face to make sure your makeup lasts throughout midnight and on. And that completes this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a fabulous New Year's Eve. Stay safe, and I will see you guys later. Bye!